Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with this little pour. I'm going to go with silvers and golds in a kind of Kathleen Osmos kind of swipe, but I shouldn't have probably mentioned the name because each time I try to do something for somebody else, never turns out that way, and I don't do them justice. And of course Kathleen does some beautiful beautiful work, so I'm only hoping that I can oh, got me bits and bobs falling out here. I hope that I can do this one justice. It's loose anyway. Okay, so just shut up and paint. That's what I should be doing. Shut up and paint. Okay, I'm going to put a base down of white, which is just my Mont Marte white, and I've mixed it with my normal PVA glue and water. The pouring recipe that I use is in the drop down box underneath this video, as are my suppliers in Australia. They've got a link there for Capriole Shabby Chic. If you're in the United States or Europe or Canada, there is a link under there for those countries, but I believe that you probably, if you Google it or go on Amazon, you should get a supplier come up of these same suppliers in whatever country you're in. So the Googler does the trick for you. Google will find you anything. Trust me, anything. So my kids tell me. Alrighty, so I've just wanted to put that base down. I would have liked to have done it in black, but I had that white already made up, so I thought I'll just try and see what the white base goes like. So I'm mostly doing silver. So this is the Mont Marte paint, and as I said, just mixed with my glue. So I am trying to do a daisy, Maisie. So that's the silver metallic, which is beautiful. And look at this gold. Oh, it is so yummy. It's really yummy. Yeah, I like it. So I'm not sure what I'm doing here. I'm going all over the joint. I'm just going to put a bit down here and a bit down here. So this is kind of minimalistic for me, as anybody that watches me would know. So what I have done with this, it is the Mont Marte burnt sienna. Let me just check. Yeah, burnt sienna. It's burnt sienna, but I added a good chunk of the metallic gold in with it, and it's made it this just gorgeous, shimmery, beautiful colour, really beautiful. So I thought, I can't just leave those nice shimmery metallic. Oh, I've put a bit of a big blob there. Can't put the shimmery metallics and not have a shimmery, other shimmery thing. Okay. Gone crazy. I've really gone crazy. It's an absolutely gorgeous winter's day here in Queensland, Australia. It's just beautiful, really is, and it just makes you feel so good when the weather's so gorgeous. So I'm just a bit crazy today. I'm going to put some more gold. Just Kathleen doesn't do it like this at all. Sorry, Kathleen. That's with anything that you do, is you can watch what I do or watch what any of the YouTube artists, but then when you want to go off on your own tangent and make things your own, that's the beautiful part of it. Just do it. Just do what your heart desires. Remember, your art room, your rules, and the only rule is there's no rules. Well, I really like that. Now, I like those colours together. They look beautiful. So, just a little, I've made up some black and I've put a good daub of phthalo blue because it kind of sends it even a deeper black. And I've made this very runny and I've made it with Floetrol. So it's only this one is made with Floetrol. No silicone in this, but I did put silicone in the metallic colours. So here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's see what we get. I haven't done a metallic one in these colours for a very long time, so I don't think. Somebody will probably say, no, remember when you did? But, so forgive me if I have. This is my soft plastic file divider. It's a little bit bent on the end, probably a bit like me. It's got sparkles on it because I've been doing work on this table with the glitters. I am finding glitter everywhere. Trust me, everywhere. Oh, wow. Shimmery. Oh my gosh, shimmer your timbers. Oh, look at this, coming up like champagne sparkles. Wow. Very pretty, very pretty. And because I've used silicone on getting these holes, I know Kathleen does not use silicone, so don't do what Jilly does and use a silicone. In this particular pour, it didn't need it, obviously, because they've got dobs of silicone. Those are little silicone holes, those are, when that happens. I don't have that happen. But in normal different techniques that I do, the silicone's perfect, but obviously just not for this particular one. And it is nothing like Kathleen, as I said. It's completely, I should not have mentioned that. I'll never do. Yeah, I'll go off on my own little tangent. Just want to thank you guys so much for watching my work and subscribing to my channel. I really, really appreciate you all. I so love all the comments that you send to me. I do try to get back with each and every one of you. I really do read each and every one. I might not write any big comeback, but I do try to read each and every one, providing YouTube shows me where they are. I'm gonna hit this with my wand, but I'm not sure if doing that black with the Floetrol has really helped it. It's gone a bit cracky, so we'll just see. I can go to plan B, and I'm sure you know what that is. So this is just a heat wand. Oh, I like those cells coming up. It's like champagne sparkles. Wow, wow. Few people have asked me, this is the kind of same gun as my previous like pinky purple Wonder Wand, but this is just my Big Mama Wonder Wand. So it's, I got this off Capriole Shabby Chic also, so if anyone's gonna ask me. This is not working out, people, because the cells, some of them are gorgeous, some of them are breaking, and I believe it's using that black Floetrol over the glue is not working so nice today. So think, what can I do? Okay, what are you screaming at me, people? I know you're screaming something at me, I just can't hear you. Are you screaming, give it the kiss of life with a balloon? No, I bet you're not, but I just don't like that. It's kind of cracking up. These are all going odd shapes. It's going into, so kiss of life. I'm gonna, if all, I'm just gonna work with it. I'm just gonna slide. I'm just gonna actually do a slide through. I want to break up some of those. Oh, it looks really nice with the metallics. Wow, 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 wow. Day of the Triffids. Go back through that. Wow, I don't know. I didn't like it as it was. So the lesson learned is I probably wouldn't use that again with the Floetrol over the top of my my colours in the mixed with the glue, because I think it's just the metallics, because I have done it before, but it's certainly not playing too nicely with the metallics on this one. It's kind of giving a cracky look, but you know, I will probably need to do some dabbing and dobbing. I'll go around those back edges when finishing it off, but okay, give me some help, people. Tell me what I could have done better to save this, or it'll give you, at least it'll give you the knowledge when you do yours what not to do, because it in fact doesn't look too bad as it is, except I'm not enjoying where I can see the paint separating. I mean, I was looking at paints in a gallery today in Corroy, where I live in Queensland, and oh my goodness, the art was being sold for thousands of dollars, and I looked at this, there was mist, there was cracking, there was crazing, and I thought, there's us guys worry so much about, which are obviously part of the art business. Now I'm just going crazy. Okay, I'm not going to touch that any further because it's really not, yeah, I'll let you decide with that way or this way. Okay, well, it was to give a variation. I did try. I'm not too happy with it. Some might love it, but I don't hate it, but it just wasn't how I thought it would be. And so sorry, it looks absolutely nothing like Kathleen Osmore's perfectly beautiful creations. I've not done it justice, so I will go back to the drawing board, and I suppose unless I use the exact products which Kathleen uses, which are all easily available in America but not available easily over here for sure. So we all use what products we can. That's kind of why I stick with the Mont, because it's accessible all over the world, so it gives a good comparison. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. I was a bit disappointed with that one, but I tried. I'll put some photographs of it on when it dries and see how it looks then. It may look better, it may look like a dog's dinner. Okay, bye for now.